So I wanted to have a dash cam that didn't have to have wires run through the headliner and take up one of my cigarette lighters, because I use those to charge my phones. Just wanted to have something that I could set and forget. So what I thought of is this USB battery pack. It's solar charge, and it's like an 18,000 milliamp hour battery pack that charges from the sun. The other side is a solar panel. So I double-sided tape, and this is, the first incarnation, so it's pretty ugly, but it's kind of a proof of concept, and it shows that you can have a dash cam with no wires, and you also have a portable, well, I wouldn't say portable because I double-sided taped to the glass, but a backup power source to charge your phones. You could always just plug in your USB cables to the power pack, and it'll charge your phones when the car is off. So basically this thing charges when it's parked, when I'm driving, whenever it has sunlight, and it's a pretty large battery pack, so it has more than enough power to power the dash cam and charge the battery, so it's going to run at night and basically just run on a loop that's limited by the capacity of the memory card. So this is an Aoki dash cam, and it's just a generic solar charging battery pack that you can get on Amazon. I'm not going to necessarily recommend this one because I think there are better ones out there, but I just wanted to illustrate the proof of concept that you can have a dash cam basically in your front or rear window, and it'll run basically forever as long as the battery pack doesn't fail and your memory card doesn't get corrupted, which is probably going to be your first point of failure. So hope that helps.